You need professional help. You want to get more customers. You want to increase your sales. You want to expand your brand. And you want to grow your business. You have heard of many success stories about those who ventured into online marketing, and you definitely want a piece of the action, but you don't know where to start. Like many others, you may be clueless at this point, scared, or overly hesitant. Well, before anything else, you need professional consulting with comprehensive research and an in-depth online marketing services blueprint. Never heard of this before? We are not really surprised, because agencies that do this are a rare breed. There are hundreds of online marketing companies talking to you, but do you know who to trust? Possibly you have been burned before, and now you're extra careful. Well, many business owners like you share the same hesitation. It is because not many online marketing companies are really serious about looking into your business with thorough online marketing research and analysis. Without in-depth research and analysis, and without a properly aligned marketing strategy for your business, any online marketing campaign is bound to fail. And of course, you do not want to fail. You do not want to waste your hard-earned money. You do not want to waste your time. You want every minute and every little effort put into your campaign to build your marketing and business goals. So what do? Go for companies that see the bigger picture and align themselves with your goals. Go for the ones who really make an effort to research and analyze your target market, your brand, your past marketing campaigns, your competitors, and your industry. They will ask who your customers are. Go for companies with strong marketing sense. Go with us. We will examine your website, your online presence, your rankings and keywords. We will perform for you search query research. What are people typing into the search engines to find you? Search query analysis. How many times are people searching for you? Competition analysis, analyzing over 10,000 web pages of your competition. Website ranking analysis for your website. Where do you show up in the search engines? Online presence analysis. What directories and social media accounts do you have? Website technical analysis. Is your website search engine compliant? You need a marketing company with strong technical online marketing knowledge. After completing extensive analysis, we will come back with comprehensive reports, as well as an online marketing services blueprint with the services, timetable, and marketing budget required to accomplish your business objectives. We are ready to execute for you. Why do other marketing companies try to throw you into a marketing campaign right away? Because they are not willing to do the groundwork required to ensure a successful marketing campaign. The industry average for such a consultation is $1,000, and most clients are not willing to pay for this before launching a marketing campaign. Here's the thing. Our mission is to help business owners become competitive, expand their brands, and grow their companies. Seeing businesses succeed with our help is our passion. We only want to market for you if we are confident we can help you succeed. So for a limited time, we are making our consulting, research, competition analysis, and comprehensive online marketing blueprint available to you for free. What's the catch, you ask? Well, not so fast. This is not for everyone, and this may not be for you. You have to qualify for this. We invest a lot of our time into these consulting sessions, and we cannot give these away for free to anyone. No one can. Additionally, we do not service clients who are directly competing with one another at a given location or niche. You may check to see if you qualify by signing up with us risk-free, no obligation. If you qualify, you will receive a short intake call from us in order to gather the initial information required to perform our research and analysis. We want to give business owners the chance and privilege to know how we can help, and this may include you. So call us now, send us an email, or fill out our contact form to sign up with us today and get a professional consultation session with in-depth research and analysis and an online marketing blueprint worth $1,000, all for free. Let us help you expand your brand online, grow your customers, your business, beat your competition, and achieve your business goals.